Like that toy, don't you?
Peekaboo. 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 Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 1. Your turn.
Okay, so I roll the dice. Okay, I got a 2. So I just pick a character?
Yep.
1, 2.
You gotta shake it 2 times.
Oh, sorry.
Like this.
Okay, 1, 2.
Oof, it didn't wake up. My turn. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. 1. Oh no, I woke up. I gotta get in here. Your turn. Do you mind if I roll it for you?
No, yeah, I do. Here.
So
1.
Okay, so you pick whichever character you want. 1. So you gotta do it 6 times.
Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I woke up! You got trapped. My turn. I'm gonna move my mini again.
So how do you decide if it wakes up or not?
Because I like it, and also that's part of the game.
Yeah.
Remember?
Do you decide, or who decides that it wakes up?
Me.
Yeah, you, because it's your
and
game.
Also, guess what?
Yeah.
Have you ever played Don't Wake Up Daddy before?
No. Is that what it's based off of?
Yep. Also, if you have to press the clock that much times, and if it wakes up, you have to go back to this level.
Oh.
If I get you out the slime, you have to go back to this level.
Oh yeah, tell me again about the slime. What's the blank space again?
A lucky space.
Okay.
That means you get to move wherever you want.
Okay.
So you can space your character wherever you want. Only once. You can't choose again.
Oh, and
Is it my turn?
what's the X again?
Slime.
Okay, that's the slime.
And that means if I get you out, on the lucky space, also I can wish for anything I want. That means you gotta go here. If I get you out from the lucky space. So is it my turn? Oh, I already rolled. Your
I
turn.
wanted to show you my pen holder. Pretty wild, huh? Just plop it in there. Pretty cool. Why don't you open your backpacks?
Why would we pack you that stuff?
A book, my favorite.
We're not going to the swimming pool in Astoria today.
But Mom.
No, we're gonna go somewhere else.
I hope it's fun.
It is fun. It is fun. We're not gonna go to school today.
Yes. No more school.
Hey
not-
guys.
We're not gonna go to school tomorrow either.
No.
Hey, Ripley. We're going to the Great Wolf Lodge.
Yay. You guys. I'm so impressed. Look what I can play. Once it's all ready, I'll let you play it. Thank you, but I will let you play with me. Ah!
But yeah, you guys, there's no more school for the rest of the week for you.
Yeah, it's your weekend. Happy weekend. We're gonna go swim at the Great Wolf Lodge and play.
And we're gonna stay there
And we're gonna
overnight.
stay there tonight.
What? What the? You're the guys' best. You guys are the best. I love you more than anything.
We love you too. We're gonna get some breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna go through the McDonald's. I figure you guys all want hash browns. Does anybody want an egg sandwich?
I would like a regular hash browns.
Your Vita's charged, your tablet's charged, and there is Wi-Fi in the car.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Love you, girls.
Wi-Fi is internet?
Yep,
Yeah.
my Wi-Fi is in the car right now. My phone is
Yep, so
making
you
Wi-Fi.
guys can have the internet.
Believe it or not, Super Dancing Man has no interest here. I suppose it is like an hour past bedtime.
Maybe if they play one of his songs.
Yeah, you get those bubbles.
I got it. I did it. I did it.
Yay! There he is. Watching them makes me tired. They don't treat our kids.
Right.
Is that the frog dance?
Hey, Scoot. Mayor, is that you? Okay, we're on our way. The mayor said that the city's under attack by. Hi, Dad. Tell everybody about your things and the things that you learned, and also your personalities.
You're shooting a vertical video.
Hi, my name's Christopher. I learned all about that slugs don't come from mushrooms, and my personality is pretty okay.
And also, this Geordi is sleeping right now, so let's ask this woman now what her name is, and what her personalities are, and what she's learned.
And what I've learned, what my personality is, like.
Your personality.
My personality is mom.
And also, what's your name?
Mom.
No, your real name.
Should be Mela. It's like mom.
I was thinking something like
How about Kayla?
Sir Didymus the Third.
Okay, we'll just go with that. And what did you learn?
What did I learn?
Yep.
Today that I learned.
You can choose which kind of things you can learn.
Look, my set's done.
I learned that
Yeah.
Daddy's Lego set is done.
And also, you could choose whatever you learned. If you were like a kid, a teenager, or growing up before
you
you.
pick what I want to learn.
Yep.
Excellent.
Okay,
No.
now Ripley. What's your name and your personality and what you know?
My personality is Ripley Murrow Mendoza. My name is Ripley. And I learned that you can't always get toys.
Okay, so that's the end of our video, but wait. There's one more. Hi, my name is River, and I have a happy and wonderful personality. And also I learned that sometimes you can't get whatever you want. Okay, sorry. River Show. Hi, my name is River. This is the bed. This is the balcony outside, but I'm not allowed to go there. That's the climbing course, and also I'm not allowed to go there. And also this is a table. That's another table. That's another table. And that's another table. That's where we get our food. And this is our bedroom. It's called the Wolf Den. Let's go inside. Wow, TV plugged into a computer. And also wolves everywhere. Let's see what's upstairs. This is gonna be so amazing. Look at this. A toy. And this. A toy. Blankets and everywhere. Mama bird. Butterfly. Baby wolf. Baby wolves. Butterflies. And there. They're having a shower over there. How sweet. Look. That's me taking the camera. Hi. Actually, I'm borrowing my mom's phone.
Geordi! Ladies, come on. Let your brother play with his present, please.
Hey, let Jordy.
I'll use Aslan as the bat.
Woo! So, River, tell me about what you're doing.
Getting a shark tooth out of this.
Whoa, cool. Ripley, what are you doing?
Getting a gemstone out of this.
Oh, cool. Are you guys archaeologists? Ooh, careful, honey. That's a great way to stab your hand. Why don't you just put it down? Why don't you just put it down on here, honey? Put it down there, and then, yeah, put your hand away. Here. Why don't you put your hand there? Okay, now you can stab at it.
The street was really hot, and then it rained, and so the whole street is evaporating water. It's pretty cool. There's like this mist everywhere from the hot pavement. It all smells like a fresh road. Pretty cool.
You're wobbling. I'm gonna push Geordi, you push her.
Hey, let me. I'm going to fix the flowers. Ready to cook again. Sweetie, pretend that your mom.